Natasha Sauvage.
Kaibab Sauvage. We call it the Junkyard, and it's a bluff on East Orchard Mesa that overlooks our winery. That's the Vinelands down there. This is East Orchard Mesa.
Kaibab and I both grew up here. Of course, it wasn't as cool back then as it is now, but it's the most magical place in Colorado to be. And it also allows us to grow with our ideal temperatures and our high desert.
Yeah, Palisade's phenomenal. I mean, look, you guys could see as good as me. This place is beautiful. We love it here. We grew up, you never appreciate where you grow up. But we grew up here and we're still here and we're like, this place is amazing. And it's got such a unique microclimate. We can grow tree fruit, we can grow wine grapes. Almost nowhere else in the state of Colorado can do that. It's truly beautiful place.
Most importantly, why come see us? It's the people, it's our team. It's we're doing things a little bit different. We want it to be fun, we want it to be comfortable. You don't have to be a wine expert to enjoy our facility and our staff. We're making killer wines, but it's beautiful. We would highly recommend it. The people that we've met, the stories, the friends that we've met, they're priceless. It's just it's been so special to have an opportunity to host so many families and just wonderful people over the last few months.
Absolutely. There's nothing better than hosting people and just watching the joy on their face when you get to share what you do with them. It's phenomenal. Nice work, hon.
You guys are the best.